Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another vlog with Yusra's Kitchen Inspire Home Cooking. Today I bring you a very delicious and a simple curry, Punjabi style fish curry. Very easy to prepare yet very delicious. You can prepare at any occasions at your home. Once you prepare, you will really love it, I promise. So please try this recipe with simple ingredients. It's been prepared and very delicious. You can prepare with this recipe with any of your fish of your choice. So let's get started with the ingredients. I'm using here salt as per my taste. I'm using here turmeric powder about half a teaspoon, red chili powder about 2.5 teaspoon. I'm using here garlic pot 1, which is being sliced. I'm using here onions about 1 big, finely chopped. I'm using here tomatoes about 2 in number, which have been finely chopped. I'm using here cumin seeds about a tablespoon. I'm using here dried red chilies 2 in number. I'm using here 1 big bay leaf. I'm using here fenugreek leaves about a tablespoon. I'm using here allspice or garam masala powder about 1.5 tablespoon. I'm using here 1.5 tablespoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder mix. I'm using here oil, sunflower oil for frying. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using here Pangasius fish fillet. You can use any fish. I have just marinated the fish with salt, pepper and ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to take a big karai and I'm going to add oil about 2 tablespoon. I'm going to add cumin seeds, bay leaf, red chilies and garlic pot and onions, and I'm going to saute it. Once they are sauteed and the raw flavor is gone, I'm going to add the tomatoes and make sure to continuously saute it. We don't want it to get burned. Now tomatoes are being sauteed here. Let the tomatoes cook well. While they are cooking, we are going to add salt as per our taste. We are going to again saute it. We are going to add turmeric. We are going to add red chili powder. Now we have to saute this all. Once the spices are being cooked, it leaves the oil and the tomatoes will be soft and tender. I've been cooking this for about 4 minutes. And now I'm going to add other spices, which is coriander and cumin powder, allspice or garam masala powder. And we are going to again saute this. The tomatoes are done because they are soft and tender. And now the other masalas are also done. After 2 minutes, I'm going to take out all the curry into a bowl and we are going to add some water, about half a cup, and then we are going to make a paste out of it. Now in the same pan, I'm going to fry the fish. Be careful while frying because if the temperature is high, the fish may break. I was in a hurry just so this happened, but when you cook, please lower the flame. Basically, I have taken out all the fish pieces when they are fried for about 6 minutes. In the same oil, I have added my paste which we have grinded. This is the delicious curry. We are going to cook this for about 3 minutes or 2 minutes. That's it, because it's already cooked. No need to overcook it. We are going to add the fried fish here. we are going to add a tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, which is not optional because it adds really good taste. And then we are going to cook this all for about just 2 minutes by adding the lid on it. Simmer it and leave it for 2 minutes with the lid on. And when it's done, it is the delicious fish curry you will have, and I'm sure you will really love it. Please try this delicious curry. As you can see, the oil is up on the top and the curry is looking really beautiful, delicious in taste, and it smells amazing. I hope you like my recipe. Please share, comment, and I really appreciate your likes. Please surely like, comment, share, and grow my channel. Thank you for being there, and I'll see you next time. Jazakallahu khair. Stay healthy, stay blessed.